How to create pay stubs for independent contractor. Do you need to generate contractor pay stubs for your business or sole proprietorship? You've come to the right place. As an independent contractor, being on top of your contractor pay stubs is crucial for staying on the right side of the IRS. Pay stubs provide detailed information about your earnings, taxes, and employer-paid benefits. This article will provide you with a strong general overview of how to create a pay stub. It's difficult to manage your own paperwork when you're self-employed. Unlike traditional employees, you normally do not receive a pay stub that details your earnings and tax deductions. Is this to say that an independent contractor's pay stub does not exist? What if you need to produce proof of income in order to get a new car, house, or credit card? Continue reading to find out more about your possibilities for obtaining an independent contractor pay stub. Knowing how to read a pay stub. It's critical to understand the distinction between current, for the current pay period, and year-to-date, YTD, figures, while reviewing a pay stub. Both are crucial, and the YTD balances assist both the company and the employee in determining whether the amounts are accurate. The pay stub contains details on wages, tax deductions, and benefit deductions. On the other hand, independent contractors' pay stubs do not have any deductions from their pay. You can give contractors pay stubs that show the gross amount paid, and they can use the document to show their income to a lender. States have different laws governing pay stubs. While some states mandate it, others do not. Employers are not required to disclose wage information to employees. Businesses should check the laws in each state where they have employees to ensure they are compliant. As evidence of income, workers should save their most recent pay stubs. When someone requests a loan, the pay stub verifies their gross income. Each employee's W-2 form, which they use to submit their personal tax returns, should include the same information as the information on their pay stubs. Each employee must first submit a Form W-4 in order to generate a pay stub. Creating contractor pay stubs. Before we dive into your contractor pay stub needs, let's discuss how employers typically address pay stubs and all considerations around this. A pay stub is a document that summarizes an employee's wage and deductions for a given pay period. It can be used for many different reasons, such as payroll tax calculation, reporting to government agencies such as the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and employee benefits tracking. Employers may also provide pay stubs as a way of providing transparency to employees about how their wages are computed. Employers use a variety of methods for generating pay stubs. Some choose to generate them in-house, while others use a third-party vendor like PayStubsNow or the Best Pay Stubs. Some employers print out paper check stubs for their employees, while others print them out through an online portal that they access through an app on their mobile phone. The decision to print paper pay stubs is often based on how many employees are being paid each paycheck, because it can be costly to print a large number of copies at one time. Out-of-date checks and late payments can present challenges for collecting payments from clients or customers. 25% of U.S. adults report paying late or not at all for goods and services in the past 12 months. This figure includes 16% who took more than 1 month to pay their bills. Some people consider this deadbeat behavior, while others may be experiencing financial hardship that makes paying bills difficult, including underemployment, lack of income, medical emergency, or an unexpected car repair, to name just a few examples that may lead people to fall behind on payments. PayStub software. Many companies use software like PayStubsNow and the Best Pay Stubs to generate pay stubs for their employees. It can be tempting to just download one of these templates and use it for your own records, but beware that it might not meet your specific needs, or it could actually make things more difficult for you when it comes time to file your taxes. Employers are required to provide pay stubs in certain situations. When employees request them, in most cases employers must comply with this request, or when state laws require it. With respect to your pay stub needs, the best way to go about creating a custom pay stub template is to write down everything that you want on yours when you get paid, then go back through each line item and identify which line items are taxable or not taxable. It's important to know the name of your employer, the number of hours you worked in the past week, gross wages earned by you, and any deductions made on your behalf. When in doubt, consult with an accountant. Additionally, if you have an Excel sheet with names and numbers in it, you'll have a much easier time copying and pasting it into your Word document. Making a pay stub for an independent contractor. Since you work for yourself, you don't get a traditional paycheck or pay stub. That's all right. To make your own pay stubs, use a free internet application. Just adhere to these easy steps. Decide on your home state. Choose whether the pay stub is for the employee or for you. Enter your personal data here. Indicate your company's information. Complete any remaining fields, salary, hours worked, hourly pay, etc. Include any withholdings or deductions. You're done once you select your PayStub template and provide the necessary information. You can download and print your independent contractor PayStub after making a quick online payment. Now that you have the necessary evidence of income, you may apply for that loan or get approved for a rental. W-2 or 1099? Examine your documents more closely if you're still unsure. The form that employees receive from their employer is called a W-2. It contains annual compensation and provides information on tax deductibility, holiday pay, and health insurance. The appropriate form for independent contractors is a 1099 MISC form. It just includes the whole income you earned for the entire year, without any deductions. Does 1099 constitute an independent contractor pay stub? No. However, you can make your own pay stub using the details from your 1099. PayStubs Now. On our website, you can make paycheck stubs online using our PayStub generator tools. Our paycheck stub makers are fast and easy, perfect for small businesses or freelancers looking to have reliable PayStub generating options. Our website's online check stub maker makes it simple for employees or independent contractors to print their pay stubs online. In summary, contractor pay stubs are important pieces of the modern tax system and include in-depth data on taxes, contracting information, and benefits. As an independent contractor, it's important for you to stay on top of your payments and pay stub information because they improve the likelihood of a strong, mutually beneficial relationship with tax agencies like the IRS, United States, CRA, Canada, and beyond. There are multiple affordable options to generate your own pay stubs, and PayStubsNow.com is a fantastic choice that makes it easy to quickly create contractor pay stubs for any line of work. Whether you're applying for a credit card or a home loan, you'll need to show proof of income, and paystub makers like ours can help. Getting started is simple. To use our paystub generator, simply add your business name, hourly project rate, the total number of hours, the pay period, the date, and any other missing information into our paystub calculator. Once you're done, our form will automatically calculate your net pay, and you can then easily print your paystub from your email. It's that easy.